Bosch Series 4 Bosch Series 4 washing machine. We've been using it for the last few years. It's a big machine, 9 kilowatts capacity, very powerful machine. It does not have any dryers, but it gets the job done, and it has 1400 RPM, and all the settings and everything, and we love this product. As you can see, we load it up with washing. In family of 4, you'll have no problem with this machine. Absolutely is built for a large family. Absolutely brilliant machine, and it's so efficient, power saving, ideal for anybody to get their hands on this product. It's so quiet, it's ever so quiet, and it's in fact it has an electronic panel here, and it's, as you can see, let me turn it on. There we go. As you can see, it lights up. You can do a short wash up to 30 minutes. Like, as you can see, 30 minutes of a short wash. You can do that. It's an ideal product. Absolutely, we love it. Bosch Series 4, 9 kilo load capacity, 1400 RPM, very so quiet machine, and we love it.